We will now create the wireframe geometry. First, select the Machine tab and select Lathe Default. Then open the Planes page and set the Construction and Tool Planes to +D + Z. Return to the Wireframe tab. Select Line Endpoints. Change the length to 0.25 and the angle to 90 and press Enter. Select the origin or select Auto Cursor Origin. Press OK and create new operation. Change the length to 0.75 and the angle to 180 degrees and press Enter. Select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Change the length to 0.1875 and the angle to 90. Press Enter and select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length as 0.25 and the angle as 180. Press Enter and select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Change the length to 0.125 and the angle to 270. Press Enter and select this endpoint. OK and create new operation. Length 0.625 and angle 180. Press Enter and select this endpoint. OK and create new. A length of 0.1125 and an angle of 270. Press Enter and select this endpoint. OK and create new. Length 0.2 and angle 180. Press Enter and select this endpoint. OK and create new. Length 0.05, angle 90. Press Enter and select this endpoint. OK and create new. Length 0.5 and angle 180 degrees and press Enter. Select this endpoint. OK and create new. Length 0.125, angle 90. Press Enter. Select the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 0, minus 2.325 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select ArcTangent. Change the method to ArcDynamic. Select this entity, then zoom in and select this endpoint, and then select this endpoint. Press OK to exit the command. Select this line and press Delete on your keyboard. Zoom out. Under Shapes, select Relief Groove. Make sure Shape is set to Outer Diameter Thread and click on Select from Table. Scroll through the list until you find the 1/2-13 UNC thread and press OK. Make sure Create Geometry In is set to +X. Make sure Z position is as shown and set the value to -0.75. Shape determines what type of relief groove you would like to create. You can select outer or inner diameter thread relief grooves or shoulder on shaft types. Orientation establishes where on the x-axis you would like to create the geometry or the direction the geometry is created in. Trim/break horizontal or vertical lines. Use this option to either trim or break the geometry the groove is created with, or you can select none to make no trimming or breaking changes. Position tells Mastercam where the relief groove will be created. You can also specify the Z position of the front of the relief groove or the back by selecting one of the geometry entities. Press OK to create the relief groove. Select Relief Groove again. Make sure OD thread is selected and select from Table. Scroll through the list until you find the 5/8-18 UNF thread. Then press OK. Enable Shoulder on Right. And for Z position, select this option and set the value to -1. Then press OK. Select Chamfer Entities. Make sure method is set to 1 distance and set distance 1 to 0.03125 and press Enter. Select this entity and then this one. Select this entity and then this one. Press OK. The reason we are not removing the lines from the top of the grooves is that we do not want the rough and finish tool paths to cut inside them. Next, save your file. Select Save As. Give your file a name and press Save.